Hello everyone, Jorge Escobar here. I wanted to say, hey everyone, I hope you had a good holiday. I definitely had a great time. You know, I used that downtime to think a little bit more about the goals that I want to have for this year, for 2018, and I want to tell you guys about them. I'm really excited about what's coming. I also started working on the new Introduction to Flask course, so it's going to be a rewrite of the original Introduction to Flask. I'll give you a couple of updates on that. And I've also started working alongside with my brother, Luis, on the new From Zero video course platform, which we have called Zero Tribe. One of the things that I want to improve, and that's the most important goal that I have, is the communication between me and you guys. I want to start talking more frequently, and for that purpose I'm going to start weekly AMAs, or Ask Me Anything, which is kind of like a free-form format where you guys can ask me any questions about a problem you have on your platform, or maybe career advice. Anything that you guys want to ask me, you're going to be able to do that on the AMA. I'm also going to be answering questions that have been posted on the Udemy forums, or if you tweet at me before the session with the hashtag #AskFromZero and you add FromZeroEDU, I'm also going to pick the best questions from that list, and I'm going to also live answer them on this AMA. So the AMA starts next Friday, February 16, 5 p.m. GMT, Greenwich time, 12 p.m. Eastern. That's my #1 goal. The second goal is produce more useful content between courses. So as you know, courses take between 2 to 3 months to produce. With Luis's help, we're kind of shortening that a bit, but it's still, it's a lot of work. So I don't want to be okay, now I put out this course and then 2 or 3 months later I put this other course and not do anything, or you guys not get anything from me within that time frame. So I'm going to start producing mini lessons on things that I'm actually working on, my consulting and work with startups, so that you have kind of little nuggets of things of how to do little things. I already have a laundry list of them. I'm really excited to start working on those. So those I'm going to release on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. Those don't have a fit schedule, but I'm going to try to definitely put those out, hopefully at least once a week, so that you guys have more things to learn. And the other thing I wanted to talk about was this, my own From Zero site, which is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. We've actually done a lot of the work, so it's coming really soon. And the main driver behind that is that I want to be able to control more of the educational experience. For example, I've always wanted to do the concept of a package. So, I sell the whole Flask, like training, which includes the introduction, the advanced, the API, etc., and do that as a package. So you buy the whole thing in much better price structure, even maybe offer subscriptions, just continue receiving courses all the time. I also want to start building our own community, have our own profiles and have badges and get to know each other better. In the meantime, while all this is happening, 2 things you can do right now is go to the YouTube channel and subscribe and turn on notifications. You get a reminder, but also I might just do live sessions here and there. Just go to fromzero.io/newsletter and just fill out the form. It's 2 seconds, you'll be subscribed. I really appreciate all that I learned from you. Every single review, comment, question I read, and I'm incorporating all that into the new courses. The Introduction to Flask is going to be so much better because of all the feedback that you've given me. So thank you. I will see you very soon.